Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your DoorDash Dasher driver account, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly close your account. Step 1. Before deleting your account, make sure to cash out any remaining earnings in your Dasher account. Transfer all funds to your bank account or debit card. Step 2. Resolve any outstanding issues such as incomplete deliveries, disputes, or policy violations. DoorDash may not allow account deletion if there are unresolved matters. Step 3. Return any DoorDash equipment you have, such as your red card, hot bag, or any promotional materials if required. Step 4. Open the DoorDash Dasher app on your smartphone or visit the DoorDash Dasher website on your computer. Step 5. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on the menu icon and select Account or Settings. Step 6. Look for account management options, but note that DoorDash does not provide a direct Delete account button. You will need to contact DoorDash support. Step 7. Go to the Help or Support section in the Dasher app. Search for Delete account or contact support through chat or email. Step 8. Submit a request to DoorDash support asking to permanently delete your Dasher account. Provide your full name, email, and phone number associated with the account. DoorDash will review your request and may ask for confirmation. Once approved, your account will be permanently deleted and you will no longer be able to dash or access your account history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.